I've been dancing for a very long time and using this move for a very long time. Love teaching it, love bringing it back to reteach it because it's just a cool move. All right? It begins with a whip, your basic whip. We're not going to break down your basic whip, but it starts out as a 1, 2, 3, and 4. What you're going to do is on 1, turning her on 2, 1, 2. She's on her left foot. Guys, you're just staying off the track to the left. And then she does her coaster 3 and 4. Guys, 3 and 4. Get back on the track and get in front of her. Put your weight on your left foot. So go in this direction. So 1, 2, triple step. Now, one thing I didn't mention on that was the ending. By 4. Actually, by 1, 2. 1, 2, I can let go over the right hand with my left. I don't need it anymore, at least not for right now. For 3 and 4, 3 and 4, I'm going to take my left hand and put it on top of her left hand, which is on top of my right shoulder. I know, kind of complicated. So go in this direction here. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm right on the top. And I'm getting ready to do something. We're both going in the same direction. So going this way. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you're going to make her walk down the track, down past me for 5, 6. 5, 6. Guys, just step back, continue to go with her. And then you can take my other hand. So I'm going 1, 2, 3, and 4. Take this hand, and as you guide her to her left with this hand, 5, 6, just keep it on her back. Keep the connection so she feels like, okay, he's got me in a good connection. We're just doing some walks. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, walk, 5, 6. Okay? After that, we're going to do some hand changes for the next part. So on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now as she comes down for 7 and 8, we're going to go 7 and 8. I'm going to pick up her left hand with my right hand. So a little bit quicker on that because we kind of did it a little bit slow. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Guys are staying off the track to her left. Just wait until she goes through with that, and then you finish. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You want to bring her forward onto that count because of the next part. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Bring her forward. 2 walks. 1, 2, triple, and then you finish the sequence. So it's whip with 2 hand changes. It's pretty cool. It's very leadable. Doesn't matter the type of follow. If she can just understand what the hands and the walking. 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6. We're going to go this direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 2 walks. Let her go. Okay, and just the key to that again, one more time, is on 1, 2, 3, and 4, pull her through. 5, 6, and then switch hands for 7. Okay. And that actually works very well. It's a fun move, it's an easy move, and it works hopefully for us as much as it does for you. Thanks, guys. Thank you, Miss Steph. Enjoyed it? Hope you come back next time. Well, next week we'll have something else for you. And until then, as always, have a great week and keep dancing.